Hi guys. Okay, so today I'm back with another video, guys. Let me get comfortable. Alright, I'm back with another video. And guess it's hot, guys. I don't know if you saw that mosquito just pass by, but yes, it wanted to be seen and come in front of the camera. Alright guys, so today I'm back with the 28 signs that he's into you guys, okay? The weather is hot today. It's a blue sky, no clouds, so a beautiful day, but just hot. And today is the last day of summer, okay? Tomorrow starts fall, so yay. I'm so excited. All right, and this is how I have my little natural hair today, just up in a little bun like thing, and then this, okay? All right, tiresome day, guys. All right, so on with the video. But before we start with the video, guys, you need to understand if someone is into you, they're into you because of you, okay? Of who you already are. They're not into you by you making yourself be one of the signs on this paper, or by you hearing what someone else tells you to be, okay? You have to be yourself, all right? So if none of these signs resonate with you on this paper, that means that nothing is wrong with you at all. It's just not you. And somebody else is going to like you for your qualities or whatever they have about you. Okay? All right, guys. So, cool off a little bit. And so now let's start. 28 signs he's into you guys. Sweet little video, because we're always happy when someone's into us, right? I guess, you know, depends on who it is. All right, so number 1, he is very active in your life, guys, okay? Which means he's doing things consistently, okay? You don't have to wonder where he is. You don't have to wonder if he disappears, because he doesn't do stuff like that, because he's very consistent. And he doesn't leave you to thinking anything, because he's consistent in your life. So you talk, you know, consistently. All right, and he's trying to be wherever you are, guys, because just consistent kind of stuff, you know, make his presence known a lot. Number 2, he returns your calls. You don't have to wonder if you're going to get a call back, guys. Why? Because he's not that type to just leave you hanging. If he sees your phone call, whenever he's unbusy, he's going to call you back, and it is not the next day, okay? Maybe a sweet little call that says, I saw you call, but I'm working, or I'm busy, I'm doing something for my mom, or I'm doing something, you know, just to let you know. That's all people need, guys. Just, what are you doing? That's all. Number 3, when you need help, he will offer whatever services he could be of help to you. Say that if he cannot do it physically, he will do it mentally, which means if he cannot physically be there to help you or completely solve a problem that you have, he will be there to talk to you and give you ideas about what he thinks would help you solve the problem, because he can't be there physically, you know. And sometimes that help, I mean, talking about a problem is not always going to help, guys, all the time, but it does something to you. I guess it makes you feel like you had someone to talk to about it. Someone cares, you know. Number 4, he will sacrifice things for you. Okay, now guys, nobody can sacrifice every single thing for you all the time. Sometimes you are going to hear, I cannot do it. You know, I can't put this on hold. But sometimes things that are less important, you know, that isn't going to cause him any kind of problem, he will put things on hold for you guys. Sometimes, because when someone is into you, sometimes they make you a priority. Now, they cannot make you a priority all the time, guys, because they have a daily life and things they have to do in their daily life. Okay, so we have to be reasonable about that one. So, number 5, he will rescue you sometimes. Okay, as I said, nobody can rescue you all the time. You know what I mean? Unless you have a lot of different people that you can call. If this person can't do it, then that person probably can, you know. But otherwise, the guy cannot rescue you all the time. So let's just say if you have a flat tire and you're on the side of the road, maybe you don't feel like calling the insurance company and dealing with all of that. So he's a good person for you to call, because you know that he's kind of reliable and dependable sometimes for you, you know. So he'll rescue you sometimes. He will come and change the tire or come and give you a ride or do whatever he has you ask. Okay? Sometimes when he is available or when he makes himself available, you know. Number 6, he will text you sweet messages out of the blue. Unexpectedly, you could just be doing anything one day, you know, and unexpectedly you could get a nice sweet little text, you know, like you're so gorgeous or something like that. Just, you know, because it doesn't have all the time. It's not all about looks, you know. Just something sweet. Something sweet. Like, I wish I could be with you right now, or I miss you. Something like that. Okay. And he will answer all of your texts because he's making that a priority because he's into you. And usually that's what people do when they're into you. Sometimes you are a priority, as I keep saying. Number 7, he'll want to see you and spend time with you. Guys, it's always lovely to spend time with people that you enjoy, okay? Especially people that you have fun with and just can relax your mind away from the world. That is so peaceful and good, guys. So he would love to spend time with you because he loves those moments, okay? Especially when everyone else in the world makes him feel so stressed out and he comes to you for peace, guys, okay? Number 8, if he does or says something wrong to you, he'll apologize. He has no problem with apologizing, guys. He's not gonna, even if he goes back and forth about something, in the end, he will try to understand this did not make you feel too good, or that wasn't right that he did. And when he finds out, he's not gonna just like up and leave, you know, like in a rude way or something like that. He will at least apologize, even if he does leave, you know, because situations are different, but he will apologize. Number 9, you'll notice he starts to act protective of you. Like if you go somewhere, he'll make sure you feel safe, guys. You know, like being like standing close to you, you know, like guarding you or something. Not like, you know, that's like guarding, like, you know, behind you with his shoulders up or something like that. That's what I mean. No, he'll just be guiding, you know, just protect, you know, you just feel safe with him, guys. Okay, in his own kind of way. Number 10, he'll get you to step out your comfort zone. Yes, like if you're afraid of heights, guys, something you're afraid of doing, and he wants to do that with you, just as long as it's nothing harmful. Okay, guys, I mean, be careful when you take somebody up for heights, especially if you don't really know them. You know, I don't know, because people are crazy these days. You don't want to get pushed off the ledge or anything, so, you know, that's just an example. All right, but he'll put you out of your comfort zone, okay? And he'll understand if you don't want to do it, you know. And guys, please don't do stuff you don't want to do unless you really want to try it out and do it, okay? Remember, it's all about being yourself. That's how you can have your real fun, being yourself. Number 11, he'll love being in your presence and ponder about leaving when it's time to go, guys. He wants to be in your presence. He's gonna find a way to be in your presence, guys, even if he invites you places. So he'll invite you places. He'll set up things for you. If he finds out that you're someplace, he may even come show up, just like the other number that I said. But number 12, he misses you if it's been a while. Even if it's not been a while that you talk to him or text him or have some kind of communication with him, he's going to make it known that he misses you, okay? Usually people bother you a lot when they miss you. Like, you know, send you a text or something else. And you'll be like, you know, I thought I just left you. We just talked or something like that. That means he misses you. Okay. Number 13, he'll explain things to you. He wants you to keep liking him. That's why, guys. In order to keep liking a person, you have to explain stuff. You cannot not explain things to people, because they're going to go by what they think, and half the time it may not be true. So why not just go ahead on and explain? Number 14, he wants to know how your day was, so he'll ask, how was your day? You know, you get messages like, how was your day? Or when you talk, he wants to hear how your day was, because he cares and want to make sure that everything is going okay. All right, number 15. If you're sick, he'll be concerned and asks if he can help, guys, okay? And I don't know about you, but when I'm sick, I love when people ask me, how am I doing, or even care, guys, because that's a little vulnerable time for people. And when they're sick, they need somebody to care. Okay, number 16, he stares at you a lot. Yes, he stares at you a lot, guys. Yeah, I noticed that when someone likes you and are into you, they love to stare at you because they like what they see, guys. Just like you stare at somebody when you like what you see. Okay, number 17. He's affectionate, likes to hug you, find ways to be next to you or touch you, guys. Okay? Number 20. He compliments you, tells you you're gorgeous, you're beautiful, you're sexy, you're pretty. He likes admiring you. He likes your perfume. And remember, it's not all about looks. So tells you things like you're smart. I don't know about you, but that makes me happy when people tell me you're smart, you know? Number 21. He's not all about having sex with you, guys, okay? Just because a person wants to have sex with you does not, okay? Does not mean that he's into you. Doesn't mean that he cares about you. Doesn't mean that he likes you or wants to be with you or anything else, guys. He just wanted, you know? For no obvious reason, he just want to do that. Okay, so when a guy is into you, he's not only about that. He's about that, of course. You know, of course. He's about that, but he's also about your mind, your time, your attention. He wants that too. Opinions and all kind of other stuff, but that's just something else that he wants, of course, and you may want it also, but not just that, you know. Number 22, he's willing to do a certain thing you like because, you know, nothing harmful, but because he likes you, he wants to do stuff that you like, you know, because when you can do stuff that other people like, but you know good and well you don't like it, that means you obviously like the person because you're taking time out to do that. Okay, and so like watch Basketball Wives or something like that, women drama shows that some women love to watch. He will sit down and watch it with you, or fake like he's watching it. But even if he fakes it, that's okay, as long as he's trying to show you that he cares. Number 23, he gives you a sweet, odd, or funny nickname. Yes, when people like you, just like I said in the last video, when people like you, they will sometimes want to have a special little name that no one else calls you but them. You know, and I don't know why. It's cute though, and I like it. Number 24, he tells you stuff about his life. He shares things with you about him, like his day or incidents that happened. Yes, he wants to know how your day was. He wants to know he wants you to know how his day is also. Okay, and he shares stuff. Usually when somebody doesn't share their life or share anything about you, it's something they're hiding, or they just don't like you like that enough to sit down and talk to you about their life, or they don't trust you. All right, number 25. Yes, number 25. He gives you advice about stuff and sometimes without you asking him. Now, I know that's almost like a proven fact, guys, because I know some guys that are not into you, when you start talking about your problems or your life or something like that, anything serious other than jumping in the bed with them, they are not going to be responding, okay? Because they don't want a part of that, because they don't want to give you advice because they don't want you to start liking them. Because usually if you give a person advice, you're going to say, oh, that's so sweet, they cared, you know, and probably might start having a little bit of feelings, you know. But sometimes, guys, that's not how it goes. We just really want advice sometimes from someone else, and we just happen to come to you. All right, so number 26. He wants to know about your dreams, your goals, your future plans, things that you have planned for your life, to see if he fits anywhere in that area. Okay, or if you guys are the same, or what differences do you guys have? Can you work through this? Okay, it's important when a person wants to know about your dreams or your goals, you know. All right, number 27. He gets shy around you sometimes, and he tries to impress you. Like if you're going out, he'll try to look and smell his best so he can be memorable, and so he can look good for you, and you guys can have a good time, and everything can go well, and be more confident about the date. All right, number 28. Last but not least, sweetly, guys, he will tell you. He tells you, ta-da, I'm into you, okay? What are you gonna do about it? Yes, I'm into you, you know. He's gonna tell you how much he's into you, and it shows by how he treats you, guys. Okay? And that says everything. Because a person can tell you, I'm into you, and treat you like trash. Are you gonna believe that? No, you won't. Okay? So this guy is gonna tell you, and you're gonna see that he's into you by what he does and how he treats you and what he says. Alright guys, so that is all for this video, and I apologize. These videos are becoming to be very long. I don't know if you guys like that or not, but I hope you guys do. I don't know. Once I get to talking about issues and stuff, guys, like I said, I just can't stop. Okay, so I guess I will end here, and I will come back with another video, guys, because yes, I do have another one. Okay, take care.